roof is on its way for former parish rectory at St. Columbia Church in Cambria County. The Steeples project was awarded a $17,000 grant that will aid with repairs. The rectory became part of the project in recent years, which is converting the space to a public theater venue. Once completed, officials anticipate it to have an economic impact of nearly $3 million each year. State representatives say that it's also an opportunity to preserve the building history since it survived the Johnstown flood of 1889.